Imagine a city of glass and steel, stretching as far as the eye can see, towering skyscrapers, luxury malls, and entire neighborhoods, all empty. No residents, no workers, no traffic, just silence. It looks like a dystopian movie set, but it's real. And what if I told you that these empty cities are part of a multi-billion-dollar business strategy? Welcome to the secret world of China's ghost cities. Let's uncover the story. 1. The rise of ghost cities. For decades, China has pursued rapid urbanization, transforming villages into megacities almost overnight. Developers built entire districts, anticipating millions of new urban residents. Yet in cities like Ordos, Tianjin, Zhengzhou, and even parts of Chongqing, vast skyscrapers and apartments remain unoccupied. Some estimates suggest tens of millions of homes are empty, a phenomenon no one can ignore. At first glance, it looks like failure: empty streets, silent shopping centers, and vacant towers. But the reality is far more calculated. These ghost cities aren't mistakes. They're part of a financial strategy hidden in plain sight. 2. Selling emptiness. China's developers realized something crucial. Buildings can make money even if no one lives in them. Investors buy skyscrapers before they're finished, often sight unseen. The goal isn't occupancy, it's inflating asset values. Empty towers are used as collateral for loans, investments, and corporate balance sheets. The city looks modern, the economy looks booming, all while the streets remain eerily silent. Some of these buildings are even sold multiple times on paper, like financial instruments, before a single resident steps in. It's a market built on numbers and trust, not on human presence. 3. How investors play the game. So how does this business actually work? Developers sell units to investors promising future growth. The buildings themselves often never reach full capacity. Instead, these skyscrapers act as financial assets to leverage wealth. Some investors profit handsomely. Others are left holding empty floors worth far less than they paid. Banks, companies, and even local governments all benefit from the illusion of a booming city. It's a market where perception matters more than reality. 4. The human cost. But there's a dark side. While developers and investors profit, ordinary people struggle. Affordable housing is scarce. Many urban migrants cannot find homes in the very cities being built for them. Ghost cities create a surreal divide. Luxury towers tower over crowded neighborhoods, yet remain completely vacant. Local businesses struggle to survive without enough customers. Schools, hospitals, and public services often remain underused or closed. The emptiness isn't just visual. It impacts real communities and lives. 5. The government's role. The Chinese government has tried to manage the situation. Policies encourage people to move into underpopulated areas. Tax breaks, incentives for businesses, and relocation programs have been launched. In some cities, these strategies work. Developers finally fill buildings with residents. But in many cases, the gap between ambition and reality remains vast. Some ghost cities may remain half-empty for decades. 6. Why this matters. China's ghost cities are more than architectural oddities. They reveal how urbanization, finance, and ambition intersect in the world's second-largest economy. And they raise questions for the global market. How sustainable is a system built on speculative development? What happens if investor confidence collapses? Could empty skyscrapers one day trigger a financial ripple felt worldwide? These are questions economists and governments are watching closely. Ghost cities aren't just Chinese curiosities. They're signals of potential risk in a system built on rapid expansion. 7. The big picture. Think about it. While millions struggle to find homes, entire cities sit vacant, generating profits for a select few. It's a stark reminder that sometimes the most ambitious projects aren't built for people, they're built for numbers. Ghost cities are a symbol of China's economic ambitions, its risks, and the extraordinary scale of its urban experiments. They are a testament to a system where illusion can be as valuable as reality, and perhaps they show us the fine line between progress and overreach. Closing. The secret business of empty skyscrapers sounds unbelievable, but it's real. It's a world where silence and steel create billions, where cities rise but remain empty, and where ambition can outpace reality. Next time you see a gleaming skyline in China, remember, it might not just be a city, it could be a calculated financial empire built on emptiness. If you found this story fascinating, hit like and subscribe to Business Apac. We uncover the hidden systems, trends, and strategies shaping the most powerful economies in Asia. Because sometimes the biggest stories aren't about what's happening,